Hey Johnny!
Another venture.
Yeah, out again, tinny bashing. Heading out to the squid spot here, see if we get some squid. And then we're gonna go and try and get some whiting and stuff. Oh, you know what, I'll do a better intro when we get there. Alright, so it's been raining and stormy for the most part of the last week here, but as you can see, it is lovely today. So hopefully that will have brought in some squid and some King George and stuff. If not, we'll always just go get a big feed of herring, and then should be plenty of herring, Johnny reckons. And we'll just fillet them down and chuck them on the barbie, I reckon, if we get something. So there we go. You on already, Johnny?
Yeah.
How do you do this? I hate every time we come out, I catch nothing. Where's the net?
Oh, he dropped off.
Oh, you what?
He's a big one. He might come back.
You what?
He might come back. Yeah. Good one.
Oh, got a good one, mate. Hang on, I'll get the net. Oh, tangles. Yes. Squid rings for lunch.
Yep. There you go. Might have another one outside there.
Yep. Beauty. All right, now I just got to try and catch one. Without trying a little bit of trawling now. Cruise along slowly and see if the squidsies will jump up and grab it. Broken bottom here, sand, weed, good squid ground. We've already got one, so that's enough to get some bait for some kgs anyway. So.
Oh, that's real dark there. There's not one in there. There's something wrong.
Yep, good one. Real good one. Oh yeah, this is a brilliant one, Johnny.
Good size, yes.
Adska's got a squid.
About bloody time.
Thanks, mate. Thanks for your words of encouragement. On me cheap $29 Kmart setup here. With me cheap $2 Kmart lure.
Yeah.
I tell you what, mate.
It's a good spot, this.
This is a good spot. Yeah, squiddy, 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 squiddy. Oh, look at him. What a monster.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah.
You only caught one little one, hey? Oh, look at this one, huh?
Oh, Johnny's on as well. Johnny is on with a ripper.
This is a good size. He's huge.
Come on, Johnny.
He's huge, huh? Look at the size of him. Yes. Look at the size.
Look at that. Good patch, Johnny, good patch. All right, we just got 3 in a row. Straight away, mate. Yes. That was a good size. Old mate over here in his kayaks decided that all the commotion we caused, he's wants in on the action. He's not the big one. The big one's already in the esky.
Yeah,
we just ran over that patch there and ended up with 4 straight away. Look, here's a big one there. Look at that.
He's huge.
We're gonna try and get some whiting. Now that I lost my squid jig, my $3 squid jig. There's a lot of bird life around here. Not sure what's here, but there's a lot of birds, and there's dolphins and everything, so there must be some bait fish, probably salmon swimming around here somewhere, chasing the bait fish. But
Dolphins as well.
Dolphins were kicking around. That's cool. The dolphins are over there. Go and see if we can see the dolphins, eh? We're not going to run the dolphins over, we're just going to see what they're up to. How you going?
chase this up.
Oh, there's baby dolphin there, mummy and baby. Well, they're playing in our wake. So here they come.
They're coming up?
Yeah. Well, that was pretty sweet. You could pay a lot of money for a dolphin tour, or you could just come out tinny bashing. Just in at our one of our whiting spots, just going to drift, fresh squid bait, hook, run and sinker, and hopefully there's some whiting kicking around, but if not, we'll catch some herring, because there's always herring around everywhere. Everywhere you go, there's herring. Yep. So I can see a big bunch of whiting out the front here. I've just got my line in there. See if I can get one in the on the end in the boat here.
Got one?
Yeah.
Ooh,
little KG.
Yeah.
Probably a bit under, but there's a few good ones up there, so I'll get this guy off back in the water.
We'll go forward a bit.
And then we'll land a couple more. All right.
Good bite.
Johnny's carrying on like a pork chop.
Pork chop.
Must mean that he's getting bites. Got him, land him. Oh, you keep letting him go, mate.
I think the hook's just slightly too big.
Come on, mate, land him. Stop being a pork chop.
That's it.
Right, there's some large whiting right beneath this. That one. Oh no, I dropped him. Golly, I'm almost going over this hard with this swell.
Side.
Wow, yeah, no, there's some good whiting. I can see them down there. They're just feeding in when the waves and the swell come through, it lifts up that sand, and that's where they're sort of feeding on. Here we go, gotcha. He's a good one.
That one? Size?
Another one. Probably not sized. I'll let him go anyway.
Some bigger ones out there.
See you, mate. Just flick that down. You can see the whiting here. I can actually see them. You might not be able to see it on the camera, but they're feeding at the minute. It's a shame they're just not quite huge.
There'll be bigger ones.
Although it is good fun.
What do you got? King Gilroy?
Little flatty.
Oh, flatty. Yeah, I got a good size one the other day.
Ha. Now, I don't like flathead because I've been stung by one before and it hurt a lot.
I've got a good size.
I don't like you, flathead. I mean, you're fun to catch and all, but you're spiky and painful. It's just clean and excellent. How beautiful. Lots of gardies, look, big school of gardies.
Good size too.
Yeah, look at them all, heaps of them. Yeah, mate, you just about ripped his face off when you did that.
He's size, right?
He's a bit bigger.
Yeah. Might be.
Well, this one's a bit better.
Oh, yeah, you got him.
He's sized. He's a keeper, I reckon. Oh, out his mouth. Pulled it out his mouth, mate. Yeah. Who would have thought, mate? Nice, shallow, clear water, and there's KGs here. Yeah. Oh, I know that. There's a big school of KGs right around me bait. I'm going to catch one. Oh, yeah. Get in there, Johnny. Here we go. Yeah. Which one have I caught? I caught none of them. I caught none of the massive school. That's what I did.
Not one.
Not one. There's a big school, and I caught none. Oh, he dropped them.
You saw it, did you?
Yeah, I did see him. Oh, mate, I'm getting good things like fish making attack bait. Good.
Hungry.
Yeah. Oh, this is a bit better.
Buttery.
That's a better one.
That's all right.
That's better.
A rag.
That is a good size KG for this shallow water, and that is lunch.
Yeah.
Along with the herring and the squid and everything else that we've got for lunch.
Goatfish.
You're a goatfish. You're a goatfish.
You're a goatfish.
Oh, this feels better. Oh, drop them, he's a monster.
Oh, yeah.
That's right, I'll drop it back down. I'll drop it down. The wind's pushing us over the top of our spot. He was like that big. Yeah, here we go. Yes. He looks better.
He looks better size. Yeah, he's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
Look at them all down.
Like that. That's a better one.
Yeah. That's a nice one. Yeah.
That's a beauty.
That's a good one. He's a beauty.
Where's he gone?
Gone straight through here.
Oh mate, I just had something big wallop mine and I got excited that you were talking about a mega fish. And now I don't know what side to leave my line on. Yeah, we both on.
Yeah.
Double hook up, oh yeah. Mine's not big. Oh, he's all right.
Not too bad.
Look at them, they look nice. They look very cool.
Plain fish on.
So I've just been sitting here trying to take some photos and stuff and my rod's going crazy. Dropped him. Whatever it was, I've let it go. Oh, that's a big KG on this side. Look, yeah, got him. Oh, herring, yes, the herring are here.
Oh, the
oh no, I've dropped him.
Rotten old herring.
Herring are here, that's what I want. I'm gonna bag a herring now.
Rotten old herring.
They're not rotten old herring. Herrings are good.
Cockroaches.
Oh, I think I'm gonna have a bite. Oh my goodness me. What have I got? KG.
KG.
Looks a bit better. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one. I just dropped him in the boat. That was lucky. Lucky he didn't land in the water.
Good. Bit bigger.
Bigger? Oh yes, that's nice.
That's a nice size.
That's a good size. I think we've got a good little option for lunch now actually. Squid, herring, whiting on the barbie plate over the top of the fire. Just as I said that, I've cooked something. That whiting took that mid-water. He didn't even let it sink, mate. I'm gonna let that one go.
They're hungry. They're growing.
They're growing. We've been out here long enough that the fish are starting to grow. Oh, Johnny. Ooh. All right, that'll do for whiting and herring hunting. Might go back and try for some more squid. Otherwise, we've got enough and we'll go home and cook this stuff up on the barbecue plate. Sounds good to me. Johnny thinks he's caught the kraken.
I've got the bottom.
You thought he had the bottom, it turns out it's just a mega squid. Try and do this one-handed and stepping over rods. All right, I had this kraken on and I dropped it, didn't I?
Yeah.
Because I'm...
Sure.
Well, I did. And what happened is I left the camera in the esky.
Another one behind.
I left the camera in the esky because I didn't think we were going to need it and I had to rush to get it out. But we'll see the size of the mega squid here in a second. Johnny got all excited. I don't know if it's as big as he thought.
Oh yeah.
He's good size. He's big.
He is big.
Oh, don't ink me and don't ink the camera. That'll do. Just
Got him. They don't come much bigger than that, do they?
They do. That's not bad though.
Yeah.
Job, mate. That was the one I had. I left him for you. On again.
He is big.
Oh mate, hang on. I've got to get this one out of the net. Oh no, I dropped everything.
He's the same size.
All right, you got this one yourself?
Yeah. He's wrapping right around him, so it's all right. Oh no, I've loosed him.
You're gonna lose him. Nice. Oh yes. That's it for the fishing and the squidding. We are gonna head back to my place, give the boat a wash, might even do a cook up, light a fire. Oh man, it's been good. It's been a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me, leave some comments, hit us up, we'll respond and get back to you. Woo! Back home now. And light the fire pit up and then clean some squid up, I reckon, and have a little cook up on the fire. Let's get into it. Go and clean some squid and some fish now. Let that get hot, and then we'll have a little cook on it. That should all burn down nicely into some good coals, so should be good. Probably just about ready to put the pan on, I reckon. Might go grab it. Got the pan in there, ready to go. Like any sort of squid, you've got to make sure it's hot. So we just check it with a little bit of onion. That's ready. Put the squid in now. I'll just put this camera back on my head. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. That is just about done. So I'm going to get stuck into it. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Hit the like and subscribe button for us. Tell us what you want to see more of, less of, what you enjoy and stuff like that. See you again soon. Cheers, everybody.